Bonjour. Today we're learning how to talk about what we like and don't like in French. Tell me, do you like French?
Yes, teacher, but I don't know how to say it correctly.
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll say it like a native. The most important verb
Aimer.
means to like or to love,
J'aime le français.
which means I like French. Don't forget the important rule.
Aimer plus définit article. Le. La. L'apostrophe. Les.
How do I say I like something?
It is very easy, look.
J'aime le chocolat. J'aime la musique. J'aime les enfants. J'aime l'école.
Why do we use definite article?
In French, when talking about likes in general, we must use definite articles.
What if I don't like something?
Utiliser n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas le café. Je n'aime pas les maths.
The key is
Ne plus verbe plus pas.
Can I say, I love, or I hate?
yes, but be careful. For strong likes say.
J'adore le chocolat.
For strong dislikes say.
Je déteste le bruit.
How to say I like an activity?
When you say about your likes towards activity, the structure changes.
Pour exemple, j'aime jouer. J'aime lire.
For something you don't like doing.
Je n'aime pas étudier.
But remember this important rule.
Aimer plus verbe en infinitif forme pas de article avant le verbe.
How do I ask someone about their likes?
Very useful question.
Tu aimes le français? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Tu aimes lire ou écrire?
For the polite form say.
Vous aimez le café?
What mistakes should I avoid?
Mistake 1, missing the article. You should not say.
J'aime chocolat.
Always use the article with the noun and say.
J'aime le chocolat.
Mistake 2.
Un et une.
It is incorrect to say.
J'aime un film.
Use the correct article and say.
J'aime les films.
Mistake 3.
Oubliez ne pas. J'aime pas le lait.
Is acceptable for spoken, but in written you should use both the forms and say.
Je n'aime pas le lait.
Where can you use this? Talking about food, school subjects, hobbies, friends, family, daily conversations. Tell me one sentence, anything you like or dislike.
J'aime le français et j'adore apprendre.
Magnifique.
Now one dislike.
Je n'aime pas les maths.
Parfait.
Remember, like things, article required, like actions, verb infinitive. Don't forget the negation.
Dis ce que tu aimes et ce que tu n'aimes pas. À bientôt.
Vous aimez apprendre le français? Alors abonnez-vous et laissez un petit like.